Pardon for the interruption, but I discovered something quite interesting. Now, the previous video uploaded to this channel was an adventure up Highway 1 as well, at a particular spot, which is actually on the bluffs above where the waterfall you just saw was. And Anna, Grant, and Ian wanted to see that as well. So on the way back we stopped there. And it sure wasn't the same spot anymore, as 3 huge trees just fell off the edge of the earth into the ocean. I'm going to put some comparative shots from when I was there in December and when I was there just recently. And you can see how much land just is gone.
Looks pretty here after a rain. Damn. So, since that video I posted, this tree fell off the edge. Completely. It used to be right here. Oh.
If you like this video, maybe check out some of my other ones. I have quite a few, and I'm trying to upload more and more. So there should be a subscribe button somewhere here, and a watch a related video here. If you like the tunes, be sure to support Andrew Apple Pie and Band Kit. Like me. Okay, that's good. Okay.